Plaster, the official pain reliever. Molten, the official ball, at dilapad mula nung nag-umpisa sa showbiz. Bong Navarro. Fast break, 3-on-2. Shovels a pass over to Eric Fructoso, who's called for traveling. Miss. Nakaharang si Emil Sandoval sa kanya. And Hilario hooks that one in for Fernandez. Oh, di ba hindi mo siya naglaro kanina sa junior? Okay. Senior na nga siya.
Pwedeng hanggang
18 ba?
18 hanggang 20 pwede ka
Hanggang
maglagay
20.
eh. Normally 15 ang nilalagay nila sa lineup.
Bong Navarro almost traveled there after receiving the inbound. He is fouled by fellow street boy Jong Hilario.
As Naku Green.
And Jong Hilario tries to answer with the reverse.
Quickly.
Okay siya. Pat Salim na buhay. Wala po, 3 seconds na lang. Or maybe just one more.